Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Trading Tesla. I'm TJ. Let's take a look at the chart.
Alright, here we are on the 30-day, 30-minute chart. So the past few weeks, we've been stuck in this range and we kind of consolidated right into here, and then yesterday we popped off, and this is all just earnings anticipation, saw the new all-time high. And today I was hoping to see at least a confirmation above this level of 884. And for me, if we would have stayed above this for most of the day and closed above it, that would have been confirmation. We actually came down just before market close again, and we ended up closing at 883. We're above it in after hours. So it's tough to read, but for me, this is not a confirmation to the upside. We're sort of seeing now consolidation into the top of this range. So still bullish, still on the uptrend here, but I think investors are, I don't want to say nervous, but not super bullish in anticipation for this earnings. So for tomorrow, I want to say, we're bearish neutral. Bullish neutral. We're still holding this uptrend, but I think we're just going to see an inside day, really. If we fall below this level here of 870, I think you're looking for the short. If we break 900, then you can look long, but it's probably just going to chop. It's probably going to chop around this range all day, maybe even in between 891 and 879, about 20 points or so, around 884. And honestly, I don't, people love Tesla. That's the X factor here. But after the run that they've had, this is hundreds of billions in dollars of value. So that means that this earnings report tomorrow after hours needs to show something to justify that. And I just don't see how it's possible. They hit their 500,000 delivery milestone. We know that happened at the end of the year. Is that going to show billions in revenue though? I don't think so. Tesla is, at this point, they generate on a good year $1 billion a year. So generating hundreds of billions of dollars in value over the course of a few months, they would need to show a massive quarterly revenue in order to justify this. And I just don't think it's mathematically possible. So how the market's going to react to that, I'm not sure. But I expect a disappointed earnings report, and I think it's going to drop us out of this range. But Tesla is one of those stocks that always surprises me. So we'll just have to wait and see. But I think tomorrow for sure is going to be an inside day, range bound. We'll see consolidation around this 884 level. As investors anticipate that after hours earnings report. And once that report comes out, then we may see some crazy action. Who knows? Maybe it shoots up to 1,000. Maybe we fall back to 700. It's all going to depend on what they report. We know in the past that they've been known for fudging the numbers a little bit with incentives and interesting accounting practices. So they have a little bit of the cards in their hand to make this look potentially better than maybe the reality is, but I don't know if that's enough to swing the market in their favor, but who knows? We'll see. Tomorrow it'll be very interesting to see how this plays out. I don't expect us to break this level tomorrow. It's until maybe after hours when we see that earnings report. I expect to consolidate around this level, but like I said, if we break 870 to the downside, you can look to go short on a day trade, and if we break 900 to the upside, you can look to go long on a day trade. That's it.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment below. I read all the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button. And if you like my analysis, I have another channel where I analyze a different stock every single day, so go on and check that out too. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.